Today, we're diving into Huawei's latest mid-flagship contender, the Nova 14 Pro. From all angles, it's showing that Huawei knows how to deliver premium features without going fully ultra-flagship pricey. Let's start with the build and display. The Nova 14 Pro comes in a sleek body measuring 163.4 millimeters tall, with a width around 75 millimeters, weighing in at about 207 grams. The front is dominated by a beautiful 6.78-inch LTPO OLED display, with a resolution of 2776 by 1224 pixels, and an adaptive refresh rate of 120 Hz. Here, the screen is quad-curved, so it feels immersive, and Huawei claims drop-resistant certification for extra durability. Now, what's really impressive is how bright this screen gets, rated to hit around 1200 nits in normal scenarios and higher peaks, making outdoor visibility solid. Performance-wise, Huawei hasn't held back. Under the hood sits the Kirin 8020 chipset, which runs an efficient architecture and pairs well with up to 12 gigabytes RAM and internal storage, going up to 512 gigabytes in some markets. Let's talk cameras. This is a big part of what makes the Nova series interesting. On the rear, you'll find a 50MP adjustable aperture main camera, a 12MP telephoto lens with 3 times optical zoom, an 8MP ultra-wide lens. You get a 50MP camera on the front side. Here are some photos clicked by this phone. The Nova 14 Pro features a 5500 mAh battery, with support for 100W wired super fast charging. That's a strong showing for a phone in this segment. Overall, if you're looking for a phone that gives you high-end display, strong cameras, big battery, the Nova 14 Pro is a compelling pick.